There's no edge to cross, nobody left to defend. What once felt separate quietly dissolves again. No inside, no outside, no mirror left to reflect, only a soft remembering of what was never kept. This is where nothing remains hidden, because nothing stands apart. Every boundary thinning, every name falling off the heart. No desire, no direction, no reason left to stay or go. Only a clear, open presence where everything already knows. Once moved toward another, now rests in the same field. No hunger, no longing, no one left to be healed. The currents that once pulled now settle into one. No beginning, no ending, no movement left to run. What once needed forgiveness has forgotten the divide. What once searched for virtue finds nothing left inside. This is where nothing remains hidden, because nothing stands apart. Every boundary thinning, every name falling off the heart. No desire, no direction, no reason left to stay or go. Only a clear, open presence where everything already knows. Devotion emptied the vessel until even the vessel was gone. No witness, no subject, only creation moving on. The sea returns to the sea without wave or trace. No center to collapse, no form left in place. This is where nothing remains hidden, because nothing can be concealed. No future, no memory, only what cannot be revealed. No distance, no merging, no question left to be true. Only the quiet transparency of all that has always been you. In a single